Hello gamers, I'm working on stuff and soon enough you will see it. But in the meantime, I have a problem. And it has been a long time since I haven't posted any video. And I want to change that. And at the same time, I want to reach two goals. One, make things that you really need. And two, make the ones that are in tutorial help escape tutorial help. And to escape tutorial help, basically this means that you gain the necessary knowledge to just fly by yourself. So what's a better way than asking you directly for input? You help me understand your game dev problems and I help you fix them. But there are some rules. I mean, those are not really rules, they're more like suggestions. So I have an easier time understanding what you really need, and your expectations will also match what is possible to make and to teach. Because some tutorial requests are not reasonable at all, alright? Make an MMO RPG. I want the Souls-like combat system. Just maybe a roguelike dungeon generator, like ready to use so I can finish my assignment at school. Yeah, for sure. Any kind of AI for real-time strategy game, those are really big things. Probably it's more like a full-fledged course than a YouTube tutorial. Those are really big stuff. So let's manage the expectations, all right? You cannot really expect big, large projects, games, features. It's not very feasible to make on the long term. So we are going to build smaller building blocks like I have been doing up until now. And those building blocks are a bit smaller. They teach you a concept or a certain way of working, and you can apply them in different ways. For example, the video about object pooling. Okay, I showed it for particle effects and for enemies, but you can apply it for sound. You can apply it for, other stuff. So it's really kind of a general solution for multiple problems. The same with the event system. So small building blocks to build bigger things by yourself. This is how you escape tutorial help. If I just give you a template for a full game, you are not going to learn anything, except if you are studying that template for hours and hours and days. That works. So the sweet spot for the content is that it should be closely related to your problem, general enough and small enough to be used in other places. I said this already. I will make mainly two kinds of videos. One will be tutorials like I did before with code. And the second type of video will be probably Q&A videos. So I will be answering the question that you have or clarification that you need or any advice that you might have asked in a more casual way, maybe like this. And there's maybe not necessarily code needed to explain those things. Maybe some graphs, maybe some explanations, not necessarily code. So this will be the two. Tutorial with code, Q&A without code, all right? Now, to share your content request with me, it's very simple. I've made this small form that you can fill up. It's anonymous. The link is in the description, and that's it. I look at it regularly. I also get notification when you post something, and I will adapt my content based on what you really need. All right, team, all is clear? Yeah? Yeah? Okay? Great. Yeah. Well, see you next time.